Hi guys, welcome back to Prince Programming World. So today we are on episode 2 on how to make a simple maze game in Scratch. So if in case you've not watched episode 1, you can just go back and watch episode 1. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to become a Scratch Pro, please subscribe and like. So now we start our upgrade from here. First, we go to the backdrop. We come here, we'll say convert to bitmap. Click on fill. For doing that, we fill here, okay, we fill here with black. So we come to our sprite here, we can just simply name this maze. So after doing that, we come here, this costume one, which you can rename as maze 1, won't show because it's actually black and this backdrop is black. So we can just adjust that by just clicking on it, highlighting it, just put it in any color you like. But me, I think I'll make this color, just adjust it to 85 and this 63. So I also painted a new backdrop, which a new maze, which is this. So you can copy mine. Also go online, browse maze, different maze or diagram of maze, and you will see them there. You can just do them or you design them yourself. So name this maze 2. You shift this here and name this game. Name this game over. Dude. Name this game. Game over. So now after that we come here, we say when flag clicked, it should pick random. 1, since we just have to, we just say 1 to 2 and see that works. Yeah, see select different. And if you observe now, our maze, actually that first maze, the maze 1, is quite big and short because we made the cheek big, and that is making our game boring. So we can just reduce the size or just change the cheek. Just come here, just highlight this, we delete this. Come here, we just make a perfect cycle. You can simply do that by holding the shift key and just expand it. Give it an outline of 2. Mine is gonna be red in color. So tell me in the comment section which color yours is. So zoom this in. You draw a straight line by holding the shift key. So after doing that, you also draw a line that is projected 45 degrees, still by holding the shift key and bending it slightly. So do that also. Now after doing this, just adjust this. Well, yeah, so that matches. So now come here. So you see here in our code, it still works perfectly, except for the fact that when we press up and down arrow key, it does not point in the direction up or down. So we can just simply fix that by saying if key up arrow pressed here, so we can just say it should point in direction 0 degree, pointing direction 0 degree, and here we say point in direction 180 degree. So we also do that for this opposite. That means if key up arrow press and touching maze, we don't want it to just change y by -5. We also point in direction 180 degree, which is the opposite direction. So we do that by simply doing this, and we bring this also here. So we say point in direction 0 degree. Now we also come to this place and click the all around. So now test this and see this is working perfectly. So now a maze game is not complete without a timer. So we need to make a timer which we count down from a certain number. So we can simply do that. Okay, then come to the maze because there are little of code here. So we can simply do that by saying when flag is being clicked, we need to create a variable called timer. So this variable here, timer. So you can just name yours probably time or timer or anything you feel like. So say when flag is being clicked, this should set timer to probably since we don't have a specific choice, just say set timer to probably 10 to 15. I think this is good. Now we need a code that will run forever. as in it will be deducting the timer, so we need to change this timer to be reducing the timer by probably 1. Okay, yeah, 1. So just say forever, wait 1 second, reduce, wait 1 second, change timer by -1. So now this will handle that, except for this, that whenever that this timer will keep on counting forever, because it's only forever loop. So we need this code that we run, that if the timer reaches 0, let's broadcast game over, and it will switch to game over mode. So we can just simply do that by saying if timer is equal to 0, bring this here, say timer equal to 0, it should broadcast game over. After broadcasting game over, we want it to hide the timer, and also show the timer when flag is being clicked. Show timer when flag is being clicked. Also, since the timer we hide only when the timer is equal to 0, we need to also bring the when I receive game over, because this chick here broadcasts a timer whenever it touches the green. So that means if you touch the end before the time counts down, the timer won't off without this code we're about to put now. So we just come and say when I receive game over, I should duplicate. Just duplicate this and say hi timer. And we do this for the chick also. When I receive game over, I should just hide, because if you've not touched the end and the time is down, so it's still needed to hide. You want it to hide. You also come to the backdrop here. Say when flag is being clicked, it should switch backdrop to backdrop 1, because that's the only backdrop we have. But we need to select another backdrop, probably stripe, yeah. So after doing that, we say when I receive game over, it's to switch backdrop to stripe. So now we should test this game now, see if it works. So now we have to wait for the time to finish here, and the time is up and everything works perfectly. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet you guys in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe.